So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the outline style of a table here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, simply just go to the top here and add a table to your design. I will just go ahead and add this orange one right here for demonstration purposes. Now, once that is done and you want to change the table outline to a different style, for example, press on the table right here, go to the right hand side of your screen to where it says table outline. Simply just go ahead and press this drop down. You can change it to, dotted if you want. You can change it to, kind of separated like this, or you can make it solid, or even better, you can make it none at all, whatever you guys want to do. So for example, if I wanted to make it dotted like this, and I wanted the table outline to be blue, and I want you guys to see it a little bit easier, I'll just go ahead and make it larger just like that. You can go ahead and you can change the style, whatever you guys want to do. It is completely up to you. So very straightforward, very simple, but that is how to edit the outline style to a table here on Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.